Next, we're going to move on to wedding rings. You can get these beads here. I picked these up at Joann's on the kit. You go to the bead aisle. There's the stack of beads on the little thing. It's like 5 or 10 beads, but these work perfect. This twinkle, the shine, this plastic fake gem. Wedding ring is just a variation of a spinner. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this portion is the dark oval. Then you're gonna pick colors. You can do the same color scheme on each side, or you can do different color schemes. I prefer 4 to 5, but they have to scale down. Bead, then bead, then bead, then bead. Bead and bead. I don't know how all my pictures are coming out here.
They're looking good.
Take a hook with a knot tied to it, going all the way through to the blade, and then put a barrel through. Does that make sense, girls?
Yeah.
The point is you've got the shiny thing in the middle, the dead middle.
Mm-hmm. And
then it slides up and down the line. Now, this point right here is 6 to 24 inches long, right? I normally go the length of my forearm or the length of my hand. That way, 1, we stay within regs, and 2, the beads will slide as it drops. Some things will happen. You'll see the physics as we build these.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So with that said, it's knot time. And I've gone ahead and selected some hooks. At least the girls use these hooks here. These 2 standard Walmart special hooks. I'm going to build one with a red mustad octopus hook. Kids have chosen their beads. Sam, show the world your beads here. And Anna is going to do green and pinks. The wedding ring is rather simple to build. So I've kind of got my layout here that I'm going to build while the kids are doing theirs. So I'm going to go white and pink. We tied some snells while we were taking a break. Anna, show me your snell. World your snell knots. There you go. And Sam's first attempt for a snell knot was not very successful, but still, it's a nice tight.
It's what
it is what it is. You're gonna go ahead and feed your beads onto the line. This should be very good for them because they're used to doing beadwork. They do beadwork for other things like making bracelets and phone charms.
I made this choker.
See, I made that choker. There you go. So hold it up. Hold it up, Anna.
I thought I bead more than you.
Yeah, that's rather simple. That's a basic, simple wedding ring. And Sam, hold up yours. Yeah, Sam's is massive. No, Sam, you might want to find a better transition point. Hold up, Sam. Alright, hold it up for the world to see now, Sam. See, that's... There you go.
Now it looks like a worm.
There you go.
Still
there you go. It's still a thick boy, but that's really good. Sam doesn't want to put a spinner on there. You're going to add a spinner. Okay. So here's the spinners. There's all the spinners. Yeah, show the world.
I'm not sure if I want to do the smaller one or the bigger one with the bigger.
My opinion?
Yes.
I would go with the hammered one. Yeah.
So it's what you're going to get. I'm showing you guys how to mess it up.
Yep. There we go.
Put that.
Put the blade in the D.
Blade in the D.
And then hold it. And then
Hold it.
Which way? Sam, stop.
Inward, like this.
Yep. There you go.
I gotta reverse it.
The cup of the spoon, the curve of the spoon. And feed it through. There you go. Alright. Anna's almost looks professional. Anna's does look professional. Wow, that has her.
Very long.
No, yeah. Alright, Sam. Oh. That's fine.
You got a thick worm.
That's fine. Now, wedding rings. Done, right?